Hey guys, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and this is the Wimaxit portable monitor. This marks the third monitor a company has sent to us for unboxing and review purposes. So you can see some specs here: 15.6 IPS panel, full 1080 HD, USB-C, HDMI, and power delivery. Now we do not know if this will be powered by, you can see there's some info there. We don't know. This is a huge box, by the way. We don't know if this can be powered by the USB cable itself. Some monitors need an external power source with an AC adapter that goes to the wall, but there are some panels that just plug in via USB-C to USB-C directly. So that could be one of these. We will have to open this up and check it out. So this is the box. It is, oh wow, it's super sealed up as well. This is a review sample. Got my knife here, and they seem to have really taped it up well. Okay, so we will open this up for the first time. Your guess is as good as ours, because I've literally never opened this. Company said, hey, we're dispatching you an item. We said, cool, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Much like most of our samples come. So you get your foam that protects the device, and monitor itself is in there. We're going to put that off to the side like we usually do, and we're going to explore the rest of the box. You have another foam cut out, and here's all the stuff. It looks like there should have been something here for a different market. Different markets may have different plug types. And we do have a qualified certificate for quality control pass. Maybe that's what it's for. And we have the Wimaxit switching adapter. So that will probably power the device. So far, so good. I don't see an AC adapter, which is nice because it's just nice to... Oh, that goes here. Wait, does it? Oh, it's a tight fit, maybe. Then something's supposed to go there. Anyways, we have a HDMI to HDMI. And we have a USB-C to USB. And we have a USB-C to USB-C. So we may be able to power it just with this one. This is the one that we can power some of our monitors with. Some of them require you to plug it into the wall. So that is all the stuff that comes in the box, aside from the monitor itself. So we're going to check out, you know what? It's not necessarily a bad thing, but so far this looks like the exact same case from the Lapao monitor we got from another company. So you get this very big 15.6-inch screen protector. Make sure you keep this flat, which is why it's underneath this. If you bend this or get a crease or any sort of, even the corner peeled up a bit, it will not fit properly. That is the thing about screen protectors. They need to be super, super flat. So we have, wow, this is huge. We have a kind of faux leather hexagonal design on the inside. And this should be magnetic snap. No, oh, wow, it's bolted. Actually bolted to the back. So I would assume, yeah, you peel these off. These are just some fine threaded bolts. Put those over there. You see there's cutouts for them. And there's the back of the monitor. This does indeed look like a white label, which is fine. I mean, a lot of device manufacturers white label. And why I know that is because we've seen this before. And we have a sticker, an over sticker rather than a laser print or an emboss of any kind. So that's fine though. This thing is very square. It's very blocky. The back is very nice. Brushed aluminum, black. You have all your ports on the side there. You can read what those are right there. If I can put them up right. There we go. So we have HDMI, Type-C power, and micro USB. Then on this side, you have the volume up and down, or just navigation, I would imagine, exit, and a headphone jack. And it doesn't look like anything else is on the top or the bottom or anything. And yeah, that's basically the device right there. So this is everything that comes along in the box. And we will be doing a full review on this in a future video. But for now, this is the Wimaxit 15.6-inch monitor. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. If you want to see this thing in action, you can check out our YouTube channel for the upcoming videos on this. So let us know for goodyreader.com, and another unboxing of yet another monitor. This is Peter.